Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to master the trendy wolf cut in just 3 minutes. This hairstyle is all the rage right now and for good reason. This hairstyle is totally blowing up right now, and I'm here to help you get that perfect, edgy look. Whether you're going for a casual vibe or something a bit more daring, the wolf cut has got you covered. So grab your clippers and scissors and let's dive right in. Make sure you have all your tools ready because preparation is key. First things first, you'll want to start with clean, dry hair. This is super important because it makes the cutting process so much easier and more precise. It makes it way easier to see what you're working with and ensures a sharp cut. Plus, clean hair is just more pleasant to work with overall. Now let's get those clippers ready. Make sure they're fully charged or plugged in, and that you have the right guard attachments. Attach a guard that's about 3 to 4 inches long. This will give you a good base length to work with, and you can always go shorter if needed. This is going to be your base length, so make sure you're happy with it. Take a moment to check in the mirror and adjust if necessary. Next, you want to section your hair. This step is crucial for keeping everything organized and ensuring an even cut. Use clips or hair ties to separate the top part of your hair from the sides and back. This will help you focus on one area at a time. This is crucial for achieving that layered look the wolf cut is famous for. Proper sectioning makes all the difference. Start by trimming the sides and back. This will set the foundation for the rest of the cut. Use your clippers to go against the grain of your hair, trimming evenly. This ensures a smooth and even cut. Once that's done, it's time to tackle the top. This is where you can get creative with your layers. Release the top section of your hair and grab your scissors. Make sure they're sharp for the best results. Here's where the magic happens. Start cutting at an angle to create those signature choppy layers. Point cut at an angle to create those signature choppy layers. This technique adds texture and movement to your hair. Take small sections at a time and don't rush it. Patience is key to getting the perfect look. Remember, it's better to cut less and go back for more than to chop off too much at once. You can always trim more, but you can't put it back. Now let's add some texture. This step is what gives the wolf cut its unique, edgy look. Use thinning shears to snip into the ends of your hair. This helps to blend the layers and gives your hair that messy, lived-in vibe. It's all about achieving that effortless look. Don't overdo it though. Just a few snips here and there will do the trick. Less is more when it comes to texturizing. One last thing, the fringe. This can really make or break the look, so take your time with it. The wolf cut looks amazing with a curtain fringe or even some longer face-framing pieces. Choose what suits your style best. Trim your fringe to your desired length, keeping it slightly longer on the sides. This adds to the overall shape and style of the cut. This adds to that effortlessly cool, slightly rebellious look. It's all about that balance between neat and messy. And there you have it, your very own wolf cut, right at home. How awesome is that? Your very own wolf cut, right at home. Style it with some texture spray or a bit of pomade to enhance those layers, and you're good to go. Style it with some texture spray or a bit of pomade to enhance those layers, and you're good to go. These products will help you achieve that perfect finish. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to tweak and experiment with your cut. The more you practice, the better you'll get. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Your support means the world to me. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a hairstyle you want me to cover next. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Stay stylish and keep experimenting with your look.